the valedictory function and welcome 5-day online faculty development program sponsored by ACD Training and Learning Atal Academy.
फिर मैं देखता हूँ
On challenges and opportunities on collection, storage and utilization of solar thermal energy, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. Now I request that Divesh please start the valedictory function.
okay thank you
Like to invite Professor Dr. Joseph Anandwas to kindly give a welcome notes to our participants and all the partakers. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, Devesh. Okay. Yes. So thank you, Devesh. Respected Professor Awasthi, the director of our NIT, respected Dr. Garg, Dean Faculty Welfare, Dr. S.K. Sinha, Dean Research and Consultancy, the head of the department, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Dr. Mishra, the registrar, faculty contributing to the course, and all the faculty members of our department, and all the participants of this faculty development program. A very good afternoon to all of you. It's been a long time. We are towards the end of this 5-day faculty development program, which is an AICTE training. A 5-day faculty development program, which is an AICTE Training and Learning Academy faculty development program on challenges and opportunities in collection, storage, and utilization of solar thermal energy 2020. And this program has been held from the 19th of October till today. And it is my privilege to welcome all of you to this concluding valedictory session. I'm told that there have been 175 participants for this program from various parts of the country. And they have been from all institutions, from IITs, from NITs, from the universities and industries. And we have had speakers also from these institutions, from IITs, NITs, universities and industries. And there have been 14 lectures, including one on human values. And Dr. Srinivas, the coordinator of the faculty development program, has taken great pains to meticulously plan and execute this faculty development program. And on behalf of the department, we are really thankful to him. We hope all the participants have not only benefited, but also enjoyed this faculty development program. And we once again welcome all of you to this concluding valedictory session. Thank you very much. Over to Devesh.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a nice words for welcoming our partakers in this valedictory session. Now, I would like to invite HOD of Mechanical Engineering Department, NIT Jalandhar, to kindly address our partakers on this valedictory session. Over to you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Devesh. Respected Professor L.K. Awasthi, Director, NIT Jalandhar. Respected faculty members, dear participants. On the successful completion of this 5-day faculty development program on challenges and opportunities in collection, storage, and utilization of solar thermal energy, I congratulate the entire team for organizing such a exhaustive faculty development program. Especially, I'm thankful to Dr. T. Srinivas for getting the things tirelessly done on time with high grade of grid of efficiency. In this 5-day faculty development program, total 14 lectures were organized, and out of those 14, 13 are the purely technical sessions, and one is on human values by Dr. Rajpreet Kaur from Punjab Technical University, Jalandhar. So as per the feedback from each and every session, so there is some maybe the problems by the candidates that the standard is a bit higher for the FDP, or some specialized topics were covered in this, because this is AICT Atal program, and in this program such type of this specialized subject as well as in-depth learning is required. For that purpose these are organized. So I hope, if not fully, but up to maximum extent, the participants will get benefited from this. And I'm to AICT for giving us this opportunity, this 5-day FDP, and I congratulate the entire team as well as the department for achieving this course on time with completion with success. So I'm thankful to all. Thank you, and congratulations to all the participants. Thank you all. Over to the Vish.
Thank you, sir.
Davesh?
Mic is.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, fine. Now,
Okay. Thank you. I would like to thank our HOD sir, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, for such a nice work for the Dr. Sri Nivas. And really it is very encourageable for all of us to do such kind of work in the future. Now I would like to invite our worthy director, Professor L.K. Awasthi, Director NIT Jalandhar, to kindly address our partakers. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon and greetings from NIT Jalandhar. Dr. D.K. Shukla, Head of Department, Professor Anand Bhatt, and the Coordinator, Dr. T. Srinivas, Dr. Devesh, faculty members and dear participants. It's my privilege to be here on the valedictory function of this AICT Atal program, and I have gone through some of the feedback. The feedback for the program is excellent. That speaks volume about how the course has been conducted. I know the best experts from various parts of the country have been invited for this. So I put on record my appreciation to Department of Mechanical in general and Dr. T. Srinivas in particular. This is a very relevant topic, and I think everyone connected. Still, I can see more than 78 people are connected. So everyone connected might have gained a lot of knowledge in this upcoming area. As I have told in the inaugural session also, this is a very, very relevant area for next decade or the generations to come. How we can store and use the solar power or renewable power resources for clean power, clean environment and everything. So I definitely see that a lot of learning might have gone into this course, and I hope that everyone will be good in their health during this pandemic time. I would urge the organizers to have an online community on LinkedIn, whereby the experts and the participants, they can share their questions and responses so that the learning continues. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a nice words and for the motivation. Now here I would like to announce that we would like to invite some live feedback from the participants because it is the participants that who can who have carefully attended the lecture. So definitely here we would like to take some feedback, live feedback from the participants. We have already sent the feedback link, but here we would like to take some live feedback.
Sir, may I say a few words?
Yeah, of course.
Sir, sir, hello.
Yes, yes, please.
There is some background noise. Sir, I would like to introduce, first of all, myself
Yeah,
having qualification in spite of my practical experience and academic teaching for 10 years academic teaching covering your automobile and mechanical and telecom sector, transport technology. But this was the mandatory part, Atal to our principal, where 2 sessions mandatory were required to be attended. In spite of my regular sharing the different, very specialized and skilled, because each speaker in their own area has a very rich experience and practical. There was a desire that definitely because of the requirement, because definitely those sessions, because of the one part that you should be able to score some 60%, it has created some pressure on a person like me. And I can say that I feel that even one lecture could have spread for all those 5 days. In spite of having 14 lectures, making a crowd of that, it seems to me that it is simply going very fast reading and without a person like me making very deep understanding of the subject. So my submission is that even because there was hardly one lecture of the human, I will cite one example on the human side. This part, minimum 1 week, only one topic is being carried by the university for 1 week. In spite of having 14, I could have enjoyed even one session could have been spread on those 7 days. There was no need to make those sessions of 1.5 because 1.5 is so rich in practical application, in theoretical, that every line could have been discussed with the speaker. So I don't know whether my feedback is going to work or this pattern will continue because I would only request that there should have been given some more time to one particular topic. And I am missing the PDF notes because again, if I want to make a revision of the delivery, I has to devote equal hours in the night also because next day a new set of things will happen. Devoting subah 9 se 5 या 4 बजे again having break of 1 hour. If I want to make a restudy, I have to devote the same amount of effort, which I don't somehow like it. So this is my small feedback. I don't know how it is going to be fed into the system and it will be modified.
Thank you, sir. We will note your valuable feedback.
Thank you.
So, good afternoon all. I'm Rasmi Ranjan Mahapatra from Endalupu Industries Limited, Hirakud, Sambalpur, Odisha. So, first of all, great initiative during this pandemic situation, and all the sessions, especially 14 sessions, are all are very nicely, and we are totally engaged and deep knowledge sharing, also some technology innovation. So many takeaways are there. So at least 1 2 takeaways from all the participants in their respective area and event. This is my request, and I thank to entire Jalandhar team for organizing such a wonderful training program. And specifically, thanks to Mr. Srinivasan, Dr. Srinivasan, sir. His discipline in all these 5 days, uh, and that is my feedback. I hope all the people can take some takeaways from this 5 days training program. This is really an excellent job done by Jalandhar team. I really appreciate it. Thank you all. Thank you.
Good afternoon,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you, Rashmi Mahapatra.
Good
Now, if anyone is there who want to give their valuable feedback.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
Myself, Dr. Mohan Jagdish Kumar. I'm working as associate professor in Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. First of all, I would thank the organizers, in particular the coordinator, Professor Srinivas, for organizing such a wonderful faculty development program. Actually, I was working in this area for the past 7 years, and we were actively working in solar air heaters with phase change materials also. Really, I'm thankful to the organizers for introducing the various areas where we can take this research to get a maximum benefit from the solar radiation. Actually, until unless you are working in this particular area, it is a bit difficult to understand, because majority of the speakers, they shared their valuable experience through case studies, and really I motivated a lot, and I feel that now I have to work maybe 100%, 200% times than what currently I am working, because lot of scope is there for elaborating research in solar thermal applications. Really, I'm once again thankful to NIT Jalandhar for giving this opportunity and accepting our request to participate in this. I hope we will continue our coordination with NIT Jalandhar. Once again, thank you, one and all.
Thank you, Dr. Mohan.
Thank you, Mohan.
Hello.
Jagdish.
Hello, sir. Can I speak? I am
Yes.
Sudhir. I am Dr. Sudhir. I am from the southern side. I am from Kerala. I am from TKM College of Engineering, Kollam, Kerala. And I'm really happy to be part of this FDP. And thank you, Srinivas. It was a wonderful coordination from your side. Your mails were prompt, exactly reaching in time. And also the WhatsApp group, you conveyed everything fantastic. And it was really a pleasure for being part of this group and this wonderful organization. I enjoyed the lectures. Some I missed, in fact, some of the lectures partly, but still I was really happy to be part, and the takeaways and the advancement in the solar industry actually, which was much more than what I was knowing. But thanks for that, all this information to this FTP. Thank you so much, and wishing all the participants and the coordinators and NIT Jalandhar all the best. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sudhir. Now, anyone is there? Anyone else want to give their?
Hello, good evening, sir.
Yes, Anupam.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, this is Anupam Sharma from IIT Goa. First of all, let me thank Dr. Srinivas for organizing such a wonderful course, Atal Academy, Honorable Director NIT Jalandhar, Dr. Shukla, HOD, Mechanical Department, and all the faculty members of Mechanical Department at NIT Jalandhar. It was a wonderful experience, and all the lectures were really nice, especially Professor Velraj from Anna University. I really liked a lot, especially from my side, sir, and one lecture from the industry also, Urja Energy Private Limited. So that's a really great thing. You have incorporated industry also in between the theoretical things. And yes, it was a complete mixture of everything. So a person who is working on solar energy can definitely use this course as a material to do a PhD at least. So it's a wonderful experience, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you for this, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anupam. Anyone else? Dear participants, anyone is there who want to give their feedback? Okay, I think If no one is there, then we should move ahead. Now I'd like to.
Hello. Hello. Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. Please.
Good afternoon, sir. Dr. Sri Ramlu from Hyderabad Institute of Technology and Management, Hyderabad, sir, Telangana. Really, it's a wonderful session, sir. 7 professors have delivered 14 excellent lectures. It is very much useful for faculty and which we can share it to the students. And also it will be very useful for the projects. We can guide the students with this knowledge. As sir mentioned, 1.5 hours. It is not sufficient. We have to go through the videos once again. Again, we have to spend the double time. Thank you very much. Special thanks to Dr. Srinivas sir and NIT Jalandhar, the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Congratulations, sir. Thank you.
Is anyone there? Anyone else want to give their feedback? Is anyone there? Sir, I think no one is there. Then we should move ahead. So okay, now I would like to invite Dr. T. Srinivas to kindly present the vote of thanks to our partakers. Please, sir, over to you.
Thank you, Dr. Nilesh. Good afternoon to all. Distinguished Chief Guest, Dr. Lalit Kumar Avasthi, Director, NIT Jalandhar, Dr. S.K. Sinha, Dean, Research and Consultancy, Dr. R.K. Garg, Dean, Faculty Welfare, Dr. S.K. Misra, Registrar, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, Convener and Head of the Mechanical Engineering Department, Dr. Vaz, Dr. Divesh, Dean, all speakers, faculty, staff, students, scholars, colleagues, participants, one and all. Warm welcome to AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy sponsored 5-day FDP on challenges and opportunities in collection, storage and utilization of solar thermal energy, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, National Institute of Technology, Jalandhar. It is my pleasure to present vote of thanks to AICT Atal FDP on solar thermal energy. Before putting the vote of thanks, I wish to share few highlights of this FDP to all. The total number of participants attended to this program is 175 from various parts of country. The participants are attending from various IITs, NIT, university and industry. I congratulate all the participants for their attention and cooperation during all the lectures. Anyhow, we got good boost from all the participants as a feedback, excellent feedback on delivery and quality of the content. We all enjoyed this 5-day journey with the fruitful learning, discussions and outcomes. We are selecting 3 best participants and will soon I will share the details of these 3 best participants, and I will send one book titled Solar Energy through the post. I am extremely thankful to our sponsored AICT Training and Learning Atal Academy for this 5-day FDP. I am greatly thanks to our director, Dr. L.K. Avasthi, for his supporting and encouragement for the smooth conduction of the program. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence. This FDP is scheduled with 14 lectures. Out of 14, 13 is focused on solar thermal energy and 1 is on human values. And I appreciate all the participants for their fruitful discussion on the lectures on energy, solar energy, as well as the on human values. Thanks to Head of the Department, Dr. Dinesh Kumar Shukla, for your valuable suggestions and timely support. Sincere gratitude to Mr. Bhupendra Singh, Scientific Officer of Computing Center, for unconditional, continuous hard work and commitment in handling the Microsoft Teams and live streaming on YouTube. Thanks to Accounts Department and Purchase Department, PRO, faculty and staff for their timely guidance and cooperation. Thanks to teaching and non-teaching members of Department of Mechanical Engineering for supporting this event. I wish to appreciate the efforts of scholars. Few names, Mr. Akash Saxena and Mr. Akash Kumar and others for contributing to this FDP activity. I am grateful to media for coverage of this FDP program. My wholehearted thanks to all the participants for their involvement in all the lectures. Finally, we thank all who are directly or indirectly involved in this organizing this FDP program. Once again, thanks to all. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. Thank you. Thanks.
So, with this, here I would like to conclude this faculty development program on solar thermal energy, and have a wonderful and fun-filled days ahead. Thank you to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, Divesh. Thank you, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations to all. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you all. Thank you.
Srinivasan, sir. Thank you. Shukla, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Srinivasan, sir.
Thank you. Dr. Pradeep.
Thank you, organizing. Thank you, Srinivasan, sir.
Thank you.